Ready? Hey. I feel like this is so dumb, but I always do this intro. Hey guys, come on in and see our new place. Nick and I moved, which is why I've been radio silent everywhere. That's a bad excuse. I have other reasons that I've been silent, but we'll save those things for another video. This is our new place and we just moved in, so nothing's hung on the walls really. Things are gonna get moved around, which you know if you've seen other videos of mine, I move my furniture around all the time. But anyway, I wanted you guys to see it before we start doing things. So this is the entry. I actually did hang up this mirror. I found this at the thrift and I love it. I think it might be from Target originally, but I still think it's really cute. We have a little photo booth strip, and then this is our, like, whatever. We have keys here, our hats, and then this is like mail that I need to change our address for. And then I always leave a little zero waste kit right here so that I can grab it when I'm going out the door. So this is just a stasher bag, and I have a reusable napkin and a fork in here so that I can grab it when I go out. This is our dining room, our dining area, I guess. So we had this leaf for the table that we've had forever. And we finally have room to put it up in here. So yeah, this is what it looks like right now. We have our Eames chairs in our garage right now because Nick really likes these comfortable chairs, and I like them too. They're actually floor models from West Elm, so I sort of consider that like secondhand. You're shopping stuff that's already in the waste stream, right? Because they used it in the store. So we got these for actually, a really good deal at West Elm, and they are really comfortable. I just like the look of the Eames chairs more personally, but we have these in here for now. The rug is from the flea market. I thrifted this little lamp, which is, I guess, kind of weird that it's like on our dining table, but I just really like lighting that's not like the harsh overhead lighting, because we have this, but it's just like, here, like if I were to turn this off, it's like, it's almost like blue, right? I like warm lighting, and so that's why I have this little lamp here. I never turn that one on. Okay, and then we have our couch right here. This is a couch that pulls out into a full-size bed, which is really nice for when people come over. I just hung this up here. It's not gonna stay here, but I found this and I really love the colors because it's really like our color scheme, right? It reminds me of our map that we used to have in our old bedroom, which is right there right now. So I just have this because it's sort of like our color scheme that I have going on in here. And then this is our kitchen. This is very exciting because I feel like this kitchen is as big as our whole old apartment. Nick actually built this island for us, which I'm so grateful for. Do you want to come over on this side, Nick? Nick's filming. So this actually is part of his old desk. I'm probably going to get different poles that like match these to make it a little bit more cohesive. This is just an IKEA kitchen cabinet that was Nick's old desk, and then we went to IKEA and found this little section in the as-is section. That's how I like to shop at IKEA, in the as-is section. So yeah, this was like 10 bucks, and then he drilled everything together and put this top on it, and it's incredible. I feel like I have so much counter space, and it's nice to sit at. I was sitting over here earlier, which is why the chair's there. And it's just really cool. So I love having this in here. This color cabinet isn't like my super favorite, but it is what it is. And yeah, I don't know. We just have, you know, our stuff in the cabinets. I have my diffuser going because the person that lived here before us used a lot of like conventional cleaning products. So it smelled really like perfumey and bad. So I'm trying to like get that smell out. Yeah, I don't really know what else. Oh, okay, actually, this is something that I want to show you. This is just our heater that isn't supposed to be right here. But I love, oh, this is Nick's beautiful reusable water bottle with, who's that? Pickle Rick. Anyway, that doesn't go with this aesthetic, okay? No, actually it does. No, it's fine. These are my like, what are these called? Spices that I get in bulk. And then my jars of food I love this. This is my bulk tea collection too. I don't know. I just really like this. I feel like it's really fun and it's easy to see everything too. I have my bulk stuff up there on the fridge as well. So I just like having it out. And also because we don't have too many upper cabinets to put like dishes and cups and stuff, it's nice to get all that stuff out of the cabinet so that there's more room for bowls and cups and stuff. This might be easier for you to see with the light on actually, but we have our Berkey water filter here that's super handy. And then Nick actually hung this up yesterday. I love this. We had this a while ago in one of our places, but it didn't fit in our last place, so we've just been like holding on to it. But obviously since we don't own this house, we couldn't like drill into the ceiling. So I just got these command hooks actually from the thrift store, and they are plastic, but I like that I didn't buy them, you know, like from Amazon or whatever. So I have command strips on the top going down the side of the wall so that there's not just like a hanging cord. And I love this. I like it with, oops, sorry. I like it like this because I feel like it is just really calm and again, like warm feeling. And it makes these really cool shadows on the wall. And I just love that. It's so fun. So that's the kitchen. I think that's pretty much it. Yeah, let's go this way. So this is sort of, should I turn the light on in this part? This area is a work in progress, so don't judge me, okay? So we have, it's a 2-bedroom place. This is our office, and right now it's just sort of the catch-all for all of our stuff until we build out our desk. Because I think, Nick, maybe, I think we're gonna build like a long standing desk that we can both stand at. So you guys will see, well, let me just show you. It's a complete embarrassment, but I feel like you guys won't judge me, right? Okay, so this is the office. This is the remnant of Nick's desk after he took most of it apart for our kitchen island. So you can see, like, what if this was the background of my videos and I was just like, hi guys, welcome to minimalism with Alli Cherry. It's like this. But yeah, this is, it just needs to be, we're gonna figure it out. So right now we're actually converting all of our family's VHSs. Oh yeah, okay. Nick's taking over now.
I'm saving my game.
Goodbye everyone. This is gonna be a, what is it called when they like play the game and you watch it? A play along game with Zelda. Okay, anyway, right now we're actually converting all of our family's VHS tapes to DVD. So these boxes right here and even like the shoe boxes on top are all VHSs. So many videos of Nick as a baby just being the cutest thing I've ever seen in my life. I'm dying. And then some videos of me where I'm just like sort of acting weird or like dancing. So anyway, that's what all that stuff is. And then we're actually both going on separate trips next week. So Nick's packing, this is all of his stuff. The audio stuff, this is Corduroy. This is my bear that I loved when I was a child and I still love now. Again, like moving, when you move, you just like find things, right? She's seen better days, but she's still happy. So that's Corduroy. File under things that I never thought I would share on the internet. So yeah, this is just like, these are all of our photos that we have to figure out where to put up. I'm selling this stuff on Depop. I'm not even gonna show you what's in this closet because it's just too much. It's too much. Let's go to the other room. I think this room, oh, actually, this is like a lot, it's plastic, but it's like thin plastic recycling. So instead of throwing away our plastic, I keep it and then I recycle it through, like, you can recycle it at some Targets and some like, I think our Stater Brothers is where I do it most often. But anyway, that's that. Don't, it's not cool. But I think this room's gonna be the most fun to see the progress of because it's so horrible now. So let's move on. We have a linen closet, which we've never had before.
In this closet, but not the other one?
Yeah, because this one's so organized. So these are our towels. These are our, like, I have my cute little hankies in here. You know, dish towels. These are all my essential oils and some things I use for my classes. Our toilet paper, and then some books of ours and stuff. Nick's special little helmet up there.
Because I was at DreamWorks.
Because he was at DreamWorks, but it just
How
fits
did you
perfectly in
do
there. So that's that. This is actually a water heater, so there's no storage in here. Our bathroom is going to be very echoey, so I apologize. I have a umbrella drying in here, which is what that black thing is. And then our bedroom. So we actually just hung these curtains and I love it. I feel like it makes the room feel so tall, and it is. The ceilings in this house are a lot taller than our other place. But again, this is our rug that we stood on when we got married. It's right here for now. I might move it. I'm traveling. I'm going to Portland next week to see my sister and brother-in-law. So that's what this is. And then I don't know if this video is coming out before my other one, but I actually just filmed a whole video of tidying up my clothes, Marie Kondo style. So if that's up before this one, I'll link it above for you. And yeah, this stuff is not staying this way. I just love this tacky painting, so it's like the first thing I always put up in any house we're in. And then I have, again, my diffuser to help like freshen the air, our salt lamp, a plant. This is, I had this in our kitchen at the other place, and I have it on top of here just because it obviously won't stay right there because it's like hitting our pillows and stuff. But I don't know, is there anything else that I missed? This is just like our just moved in place. We really like it. It was a little bit of an adjustment just because, well, for me, oh, I just hit the mic. I really loved our place, our old place. So it was really bittersweet moving into this one. But now that we have the space and things are starting to get cleaned up and cleared out and put where they're supposed to go, I'm feeling at home and really loving this place. And it's just next door to our other one, so it's not like we're too far away. But basically, that's the just moved in tour of our place. Nick, do you have anything you want to add to this?
Nope.
Okay. I hope you guys liked it. Thank you so much for sticking with me, even though I haven't been posting very often. I'm getting back on it in January. I probably shouldn't make promises, but I am hoping to be better. So thank you so much for watching and for subscribing, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.